Welcome to this course on team goal setting. An African proverb says if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. The acronym TEAM itself tells us why we need to work in teams. Together, everyone achieves more. So we are always more productive when we work collectively as a team. Another reason why we work in teams is for continuous learning. The collective skill, experience, and abilities of the individual team members will enhance the productivity of the team as a whole. Another reason why we work in teams is for continuity. If one member of the team is unavailable or has to leave, the other members will keep the project going to conclusion. So all of these are reasons why we work in teams. But for the team to be productive, there must be a common goal or objective. And that is what this course is all about. We will be looking at how to set effective goals in such a way that the team will be able to accomplish or achieve them. We'll also be looking at how we track the progress of the team as they execute the project. How effective are they? And will they be able to actually achieve the purpose? So in this course, we are going to look at techniques to set effective goals and also some techniques to monitor progress to ensure that our teams are productive and effective.